G'day sweeties, it's Nick here and we're cooking like a mofo. And I've got moscato-ish and gin, and we're gonna make Gin-Scato. How do I do it? So we've got 1 part gin, 3 parts moscato, lots of juice, lychee. How many of that are we doing? 2. We're doing 2 parts lychee juice and apple to garnish. Yeah. Kicking it off, ice. Star ice, I prefer. Stunning. I had a better apron last time, but obviously no budget for that. Gin. So we've used Tanqueray. Is there any gin? Any gin will do. 2 parts lychee. You can pick up lychee juice at your local store. I know I always do. 3 parts Moscato. This little bad boy is from Piper's Brook. It's Tassie Moscato with a bit of Sauv Blanc. We've used the lychee juice because usually Moscato is a bit sweet, but this is pretty dry. And one I'd recommend for anyone going out to a park. 3 parts Moscato, and a little to taste. Lime, not over. So they've given me the butter knife to do this. Just some lime juice in there. And that's a fiesta. Got to swizzle it and taste. It's pretty yum. That's pretty yum, I like that. Garnish. So I learned how to do this about 3 seconds ago. This is not the peeling one, this is the chopping. Side. Take off a little side, take off another little side. And then you want to use this little part of the apple. The other bits you can give to the kids, the birds, possums also like apples. And we want to flan that out. Is that it? Flan or fan? Fan. So we're getting small little slices here. And you want them really neat, so when you fan them out, it looks stunning. And you kind of want them to stay together. You don't want them wonky and shit like these. A good knife goes a long way, doesn't it? So we've got lychee juice in there. Might as well use the lychee. So lychee first, all the way to the top. Then we're going to take our little apples, pierce them at the top here. And then we're just going to fan that one out, as so. Gin-Scato, to you, sir. And that's a good way to start the day.